Ever gazed at your laptop or tech device and wondered if it's keeping up with the world's rapid technological advances? We're living in an era of constant innovation, where technology is evolving faster than ever. It's crucial to stay abreast of these advancements to make the most out of our digital experiences. And if you've been feeling like your current device is falling short, it might be time for an upgrade. Well, if you've been pondering over an upgrade, Samsung might just have the answer with their latest release, the Galaxy Book4 Pro. Enter the Galaxy Book4 Pro, Samsung's latest tech marvel. This isn't just another laptop, it's a symbol of Samsung's relentless pursuit of innovation, a beacon that shines brightly in the tech world, illuminating the path to the future. The Galaxy Book4 Pro is the newest addition to Samsung's impressive lineup of laptops, and it's already turning heads around the globe. This device is a testament to Samsung's commitment to merging design and technology in a way that's both practical and visually stunning. But the Galaxy Book4 Pro is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with some of the most advanced features you can find in a laptop today. And while we're not going to spill all the beans just yet, we can assure you that these features are designed to take your productivity, creativity, and entertainment to new heights. Now, let's delve deeper into what makes this device a game changer. Firstly, let's marvel at the Galaxy Book4 Pro's stunning display. The Galaxy Book4 Pro boasts a dazzling AMOLED display that will make your visual experience nothing short of extraordinary. This is not your average screen, it's a window into a world where clarity and color come together to form a visual symphony. AMOLED, an acronym for Active Matrix Organic Light-Emitting Diodes, is a display technology renowned for its vibrant colors and deep inky blacks. Every pixel in an AMOLED display emits its own light, resulting in an image that's not just bright, but also incredibly sharp. The Galaxy Book4 Pro's AMOLED display is a high-resolution wonder, with each pixel packed tightly to form a picture of stunning clarity. From the tiniest details in a photo to the fine print in a document, every element stands out with crisp, clean lines. But it's not just about sharpness. The Galaxy Book4 Pro's display also excels in color accuracy. Colors are rendered with such precision that they look as vivid and true to life as they do in the real world. Whether you're editing a photo, watching a movie, or simply browsing the web, every image is bursting with color. The Galaxy Book4 Pro's display also features a high dynamic range, which means it can display a wider range of colors and contrast levels. This significantly enhances the user's visual experience, particularly when viewing HDR content. From the deepest blacks to the brightest whites, the display can render every shade in between with astounding accuracy. And let's not forget about the viewing angles. Thanks to the AMOLED technology, you can view the screen from virtually any angle without any loss in color or clarity. Whether you're sharing your screen with a colleague or lounging on the couch with a movie, the Galaxy Book4 Pro's display offers a consistently high-quality viewing experience. With such an impressive display, the Galaxy Book4 Pro offers a visual feast like no other. A brilliant display is nothing without power and longevity. That's where the Galaxy Book4 Pro's performance and battery life come into play. So let's dive into the heart of this tech marvel, where the magic really happens. At the core of the Galaxy Book4 Pro's performance is its processor. Samsung has equipped this device with a state-of-the-art chip that's designed to handle a multitude of tasks with ease and efficiency. This chip is no slouch, whether you're working on a complex spreadsheet, streaming your favorite show, or even indulging in some light gaming. But what does this mean for you as a user? It means that you can expect a smooth, seamless experience no matter what you're doing. The Galaxy Book4 Pro is designed to keep up with your pace, ensuring that you can work, play, and create without any hiccups or slowdowns. Now let's shift gears and talk about the battery life. We all know how frustrating it can be to have your device die on you in the middle of an important task. But with the Galaxy Book4 Pro, that's a worry of the past. Samsung has packed this laptop with a battery that's built to last. On a single charge, the Galaxy Book4 Pro can power through an entire day of use. That's right, an entire day. But it's not just about the longevity. The device also supports fast charging, ensuring that you can get back to full power in no time at all. So whether you're on a long-haul flight or in back-to-back meetings, the Galaxy Book4 Pro has got you covered. In essence, the Galaxy Book4 Pro combines power and longevity in a way that truly sets it apart. Its performance capabilities ensure that it can handle whatever you throw at it, while its battery life ensures that it's always ready to go when you are. With robust performance and long-lasting battery life, the Galaxy Book4 Pro ensures you're always ready to conquer your day. But the Galaxy Book4 Pro isn't just about power and visuals, it's also about staying connected and easing your work. Let's talk connectivity. The Galaxy Book4 Pro is a veritable hub of connections, ready to keep you plugged in at all times. It features the latest Wi-Fi 6E support, offering you ultra-fast wireless speeds and a more stable connection. This is perfect for those of you who are always on the go, needing to download large files or stream high-quality content without a hitch. But Wi-Fi isn't the only way this tech marvel keeps you linked. It also boasts Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair your devices seamlessly. Whether it's your smartphone, your wireless headphones, or even your smartwatch, the Galaxy Book4 Pro has you covered. And let's not forget about the multiple ports. With USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and a microSD card slot, you can connect pretty much anything to this laptop. Need to hook up an external monitor? No problem. Want to transfer files from your camera? It's a breeze. The possibilities are endless. Now, onto the extras. The Galaxy Book4 Pro features a backlit keyboard, making it easier to work in dimly lit environments. No more squinting at your keys in the dark. Plus, the keys are well-spaced and comfortable to type on, making those long work or study sessions a bit more bearable. But that's not all. The Galaxy Book4 Pro also has a built-in fingerprint sensor for improved security. With just a touch, you can unlock your laptop, ensuring that your personal and professional data stays secure. And, for the creatives out there, the Galaxy Book4 Pro supports the S Pen. This means you can jot down notes, sketch out designs, or edit photos with precision and ease. It's like having a digital canvas at your fingertips. With its multitude of connectivity options and handy extras, the Galaxy Book4 Pro is truly a versatile companion. So, we've taken a journey through the impressive features of the Galaxy Book4 Pro. Let's take a moment to summarize what we've learned, and why this latest tech marvel is worth your attention. First off, the Galaxy Book4 Pro offers a stunning display that's second to none. It boasts an AMOLED screen delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a level of clarity that's simply outstanding. Whether you're editing high-resolution images, watching your favorite films, or indulging in an immersive gaming experience, the display on this device is designed to take your visual experience to a whole new level. Next, we dove into the powerhouse performance the Galaxy Book4 Pro brings to the table. Armed with the latest Intel Core processors, this machine is designed to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. From multitasking to running high-end software, it's a workhorse that never compromises on speed or efficiency. Not to forget the impressive battery life of the Galaxy Book4 Pro. This device is designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. With a single charge, you can confidently work, play, or stream content for hours on end without having to constantly hunt for a power outlet. We also explored the versatile connectivity options the Galaxy Book4 Pro offers. With a host of ports including USB-C, HDMI, and more, it's easier than ever to connect your devices and peripherals. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, you can enjoy seamless wireless connections. In addition, the Galaxy Book4 Pro comes packed with a range of extras, including an upgraded webcam for crystal-clear video calls, a backlit keyboard for comfortable typing, and a fingerprint sensor for enhanced security. It's a complete package that goes beyond the basics, offering a truly premium user experience. In essence, the Galaxy Book4 Pro is more than just a laptop. It's a cutting-edge device that brings together the best of design, performance, and innovation. It's a testament to Samsung's relentless pursuit of excellence, and a clear indication of their commitment to bring the future into our hands today. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest gadget to add to your collection, a professional seeking a device that can keep up with your work demands, or a creative soul who needs a tool to bring your ideas to life, the Galaxy Book4 Pro is a worthy contender. The Galaxy Book4 Pro is not just another tech device, it's a testament to Samsung's commitment to bring the future into our hands today. It's time to step up your tech game with this latest marvel.